Hey my dolls, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back, dolls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yourself. A merry little Christmas. So as y'all can see from the title, today we will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if this is something you are interested in, keep watching. All right, y'all, so today is a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is one of my birthday gifts that I purchased for myself, and I can't wait to show y'all what I got. So without further ado, we have the nice Louis Vuitton box that's wrapped up. In the inside, I have a nice little card that they gave me, and it says, "Happy birthday, enjoy your stay in Las Vegas and stay safe." So this is the nice little card that my sales associate made for me. So cute, y'all. And the inside of the envelope is super cute too, with the clouds. So cute. So I thought that was very nice. And then this is my receipt card holder, and then he gave me his information, his card. Okay guys, so I got my item from the Palazzo shopping, what is it, Palazzo, Las Vegas Palazzo. So this is where I purchased my item from. So let me show y'all what I got. Dun-dun-dun. So I got the, what is this called, y'all? I don't even know. I think it's called the Logo Mania scarf. I know I'm right. Do it say it on the receipt? Yes, Logo Mania. Okay, so I got the Logo Mania scarf in the color chocolate brown. This scarf is so beautiful, y'all. I love it. It comes in multiple colors. I think they have a pink one. They have a black and silver one. I'm looking right now, y'all. They have a couple of different colors. I believe it come in gray as well. So this is so cute. Let me take it out the box. It is a wool scarf. It says the Logo Mania scarf is wool from a soft warm blend of silk and wool together. It's a monogram pattern, and then it says the combination of dark and lighter shades makes this a stylish piece. Look, y'all, so pretty. I love brown, in case y'all didn't know, and I love gold, so I'm forever grabbing gold. Y'all been on a hunt for this. So I went to Caesar's Forum in Las Vegas to look for this, and they didn't have it. They told me they had one left, and I ran over there to go get my scarf. This one was actually on display. This was literally the last one. Here, our Louis Vuitton stores don't have nothing. Everything always sold out online. So I was pleased that I went to Vegas, because it seemed like every time I go to Vegas, I'm able to find any luxury item that I've been wanting for quite some time. Like I said, it's hard to catch it on a website, or it's hard to get it back at home. We only have one Louis Vuitton store, and I think we have a smaller one inside of Saks, but you know, neither one seems to have anything. It's hard to find it. But anyway, look, y'all, it's so freaking pretty. I love the little fringe at the bottom. And then on the other side, wait, y'all, bam, this is me, because I'm extra. This is like so flashy. It's like that brassy gold color. Has a nice little reflection. This is so cute, y'all. And it goes great with this new coat that I bought, baby. It is so freaking cute. And then I seen people wear it like this, and you put like a nice little belt around it to be extra. And I got a Louis Vuitton belt. I might be extra and do that. I might just come up with some looks with this. But I definitely love this piece. It retailed for Let me tell y'all. So it retailed for $610 with tax. My total was $661.09. So I think this is a great piece to add to your collection, especially where I live. It gets pretty cold and it stay cold for quite some time, so I can get some nice little wears out of this season, and I am very pleased with my purchase. I'm really thinking about getting the black and silver one. I do wear more gold than silver, but I think that one might be nice to have as well, and I think I'll definitely buy more silver stuff just to get some wears out of that particular scarf. But yeah, y'all, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.